This breathtaking home sits on a quiet street and backs up to the largest of the two lakes in the prestigious Cayhill subdivision, providing great views from the back deck and large patio. The open living room has tall ceilings and a beautiful stone fireplace that is the focal point of the room. The kitchen is a chef's dream with all stainless appliances, double ovens, a massive island that houses a deep well sink and the dishwasher. Also, don't miss the stone accents over the cooktop and at the base of the pillars that not only separate the kitchen from the formal dining area, they also are one of the many attributes that help to make this a truly one-of-a-kind home. This spacious master bedroom has an extremely well-appointed master bath along with a distinctive faux stone accent wall and large windowsill that could easily be used as a window seat or display shelf. The master bath is 100% to die for with a double-headed tile shower, separate his and hers vanities, one with a lowered makeup area that has space for a seat below and a jetted tub. This bathroom truly has it all. With an unobstructed 180-degree view of the subdivision's largest lake, you don't have to wonder why the owners picked this lot. The basement has a deluxe built-in bar with space for a wine fridge and ample space for entertaining. Or feel free to just kick back and enjoy a movie in the cinema room.